Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Positioned as the best full-time RV motorhome, the hypothetical 2027 Mack Royal Class is a conceptual high point in the realm of residential class recreational vehicles, set apart by its creative design and a genuinely unique approach to interior functionality, especially in its bathroom layout. This car, which is based on Mack Truck's renowned dependability and strong engineering, attempts to combine the steadfast strength of a commercial vehicle with the tasteful elegance and well-considered design of a luxury residence. The Mack Royal Class's exterior would deviate from the conventional motorhome design, combining a sleek, aerodynamic RV body with the strong, commanding presence of a Mack truck. Clean lines, a large, dominating grille, and a body made of lightweight, high-strength materials would probably define the design. The focus would be on both form and function, with flush-mounted windows, secret storage compartments, and a refined paint finish that testifies to its luxury status. With a structure and powertrain designed to withstand millions of kilometers, this motorhome would be built for the long haul, offering unparalleled dependability and a steady, comfortable ride. The inside, which is made for full-time living without sacrificing any quality, is where the real innovation lies. The design would be roomy and clever, making use of every available square inch to produce a living area that is opulent, pleasant, and incredibly practical. A feeling of openness and airiness would be enhanced by high ceilings, expansive panoramic windows, and thoughtfully positioned ambient lighting. The best materials would be used, such as solid surface counters, hand-stitched leather upholstery, and premium hardwood floors, all of which were picked for their strength and beauty. The Mack Royal Class's bathroom is its most distinctive and innovative design aspect, differentiating it from all of its rivals. This motorhome would have a unique bathroom concept, going beyond the small, functional restrooms typical of most RVs. It may have a split-space layout with a large, full-size shower and separate water closet on one side and a spacious vanity and dressing area on the other. Two persons could use the area comfortably at once thanks to this creative arrangement. With a rain shower head, high-end fixtures, and a glass enclosure, the shower itself might be a walk-in that creates a spa-like atmosphere. With plenty of counter space, built-in storage, and excellent lighting, the vanity area would be similarly stunning. The comfort and convenience of a residential bathroom would be provided by this design, which would do away with the compromises usually found in RV restrooms. All things considered, the 2027 Mack Royal Class motorhome is a work of conceptual art that completely transforms the full-time RV experience. It demonstrates that a mobile home may be the best choice for people who wish to live a nomadic lifestyle without compromising on comfort or luxury by fusing the strength and dependability of Mack engineering with an inventive, opulent, and incredibly practical living area.